Namaste Andy, na peru Salim. Today our topic is triangles. Triangles, three angles. What is a triangle? Definition. A two-dimensional closed figure with three sides is called a triangle. A 2D figure. Which figure? 2D figure with three sides. How many sides? Three sides. It's a closed figure with three sides is called a triangle. What is the symbol of a triangle? What is the symbol of a triangle? This is a symbol of a triangle. Small symbol like a delta. Okay. What are the parts of a triangle? In a triangle, we have three parts. First, three vertices. 1, 2, 3. This is ABC triangle ABC. In this one, we have three vertices and three sides. How many sides? Three sides and three internal angles. How many internal angles? Three internal angles. A polygon with three sides, three internal angles and three vertices is called a triangle. This is another definition. What are the examples of triangles? These are the examples of triangle. How can we write it as a triangle in simple form? Triangle A, B, C. This is triangle XYZ. Triangle X, Y, Z. How we write it as triangle P, Q, R. Okay, these are the parts of the triangle. Next, coming to the what are the different types of triangles? With the help of sides or length of the sides. Next, with the help of the angles or internal angles. We can divide them with the basis of the length of the sides and with the basis of the angles of the triangle. Types of triangles. We can differ the triangles types with the basis of length of the sides and with the basis of angles. Internal angles. Angles means there are external angles and internal angles. So we are taking here internal angles. With the help of length of the sides, we can divide them three types. First one, equilateral, isosceles, scalar. Here coming to the first two, scalene triangle. In this scalene triangle, there is no other two sides are equal. No other two sides are equal. That means length of this side is different from this side and different from this side. The three sides in this triangle ABC, the three sides are different. Next, coming to the isosceles. In this triangle, the two sides, any two sides of the triangle are equal and the third side is different. So we can call it as isosceles. Here celes means in the other languages like Latin language, lex. What is meant by celes? Lex in Latin language. Lex, in our body two legs are equal. Like isosceles, only two sides are equal. The other side is a different length of the two sides. Coming to the third one, equilateral triangle. Suppose triangle XYZ, the three sides are equal. Length of the three sides are equal. XY is same length, XZ is same length and YZ is same length. Okay. Next, coming to the types of triangles with the basis of internal angles: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. There are three different types of triangles with the basis of angles. Coming to here, acute angle triangle. In the acute angle triangle, all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. All the three angles are less than 90 degrees. Here, angle B, angle C is 3 are less than 90 degrees. Next, obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, only one side is greater than the 90 degrees. That is, the here angle X is greater than 90 degrees. Next, the remaining two angles are acute angles. That means less than 90 degrees. Remaining two angles. Okay. Coming to the right angle triangle, only one angle is 90 degrees. That is called right angle. The remaining angles are acute angles. Here, angle Q is 90 degrees. Angle P, angle Q, angle P, angle R less than 90 degrees, and angle P plus angle R equal to 90 degrees. Why angle P plus angle R 90 degrees? In a right angle triangle, the right angle is 90 degrees. Sum of the remaining two angles is equal to 90 degrees. How? In a triangle, sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degrees. With the help of this formula, angle Q equal to 90 degrees, the remaining sum of the two angles are equal to 90 degrees. Thank you. Classification of triangles. Triangle can be classified into three types based on the lengths of the sides. First one, scalene triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. Third one, equilateral triangle. What is meant by scalene triangle? In a scalene triangle, lengths of all the three sides are different. Any two sides are equal. Here, coming to the triangle ABC, AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to CA. These three sides are with different measures. Next, coming to the isosceles triangle. In this triangle, only two sides are equal. The remaining third side its length is different from the lengths of the equal sides. Okay, here in this triangle, AB equal to AC, but AB is not equal to BC, AC is not equal to BC. This is called isosceles triangle. Coming to third one, equilateral triangle. In a triangle, all the three sides are equal. Then it is called equilateral triangle. In a triangle, in this triangle ABC, all the three sides are equal. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA. Here, on another point is there. All the angles are equal and these angles are 60 degrees. Okay. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. That each one is 60 degrees. Classification of triangle. According to the measures of the interior angles of a triangle, according to the measures of the interior angles of the triangle, we can categorize into three types. We can categorize into three types. First one, right angle triangle. Second one, acute angle triangle. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? In a triangle, any one angle is 90 degrees. That means right angle. Then the triangle is called right angle triangle. Angle 90 degrees equal to, we are calling it as right angle. What is right angle? 90 degrees angle is called as right angle. So, what is right angle triangle? A triangle. Any one angle is, one of the angle is 90 degrees. Then the triangle is called right angle triangle. Next, in a right angle triangle, for example, ABC is a right angle triangle. Here, angle B is right angle. Then, angle B equal to 90 degrees. What about the remaining angles? Angle A, comma, angle C. These two angles are less than 90 degrees. Next, angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next coming to the acute angle triangle. In a triangle, all the three interior angles are less than 90 degrees, then it is called a acute angle triangle. For example, here ABC triangle ABC or triangle BCA. In this triangle, all the three angles, that means angle A, angle B, angle C. These all are less than 90 degrees. So, this triangle is called as acute angle triangle. Next, coming to the obtuse angle triangle. What is meant by obtuse angle? An angle is any one of the angle. A angle more than 90 degrees is called a obtuse angle. In a triangle, any one of the angle that is interior angle, any one of the interior angle greater than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. In this figure, for example, a triangle ABC, angle A is greater than 90 degrees. Angle A is greater than 90 degrees. So we can call it triangle ABC is as obtuse angle triangle. What about the remaining two angles? The remaining two angles are acute angles. Angle B less than 90 degrees and angle C less than 90 degrees. Properties of a triangle. Properties of a triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is a 2D polygon. A triangle has three sides, three vertices and three interior angles. Next, in a triangle, sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is more than the other sides, more than the length of the other side. Okay, here see, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is more than the length of the remaining side. Sum of the lengths of the three sides gives the perimeter of the triangle. What is perimeter? All the sides are equal, all the sides, sum of the all the sides is called perimeter. Okay. Next, what is the area of a triangle? Half base into height. Half of 1 by 2 base into height is called the area of a triangle. And in a triangle, sum of the all interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. See, area of BH of base into height. Sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Okay, again, a triangle is a 2D polygon. A triangle has three sides, three vertices and three interior angles. Sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is more than the length of the remaining side. Sum of the lengths of the three sides gives the perimeter of a triangle. Area equal to half into B into H, half into base into height. Sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Angle suppose triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, angle A, angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. These are the properties of a triangle.